We're going to reset the change oil light in this Toyota 4Runner. This example is a 2023. So the first thing we're going to do is you can go ahead and start the engine if you want to. So when it comes up, it's going to say oil maintenance required or something like that. There we go, oil maintenance required. You're going to want to make sure you're on trip A. See, it says trip A right there. If you're not, just cycle through until you get there. So once you're on trip A, I'm going to shut the car off. Next up, we're going to need to hold this button down and then make sure your foot is not on the brake because we don't want to start the engine. Then we're going to push this 2 times while keeping this held down. Once that's reset, then we're good to go. You can go ahead and shut the engine off. Now we'll start it up and the oil maintenance light will be gone. All right, there we go. And that's all you got to do.